Hello and welcome to the video demonstration for design 4 of our demonstration patches for the project Chemical Spectral Analysis through Sonification. This design is our Vowel Sonification. Now this design basically works off of a simple vocal synth. We take this wavetable that has a vocal waveform based on Howard and Murphy's 2008 book on the subject, and it just uses that to plays that through our series of bandpass filters here and sums that, and it outputs with this a little bit of vibrato added on just to make it sound a bit nicer. So yeah, each bandpass filter acts as sort of one of our formant filters, with the position of the filter mapped from one of our sends here, so from one of our 5 examples. So yeah, the chemical shift value, which is the x-axis, matches the position of our filter. They all have a Q of 10 here, and then the sort of intensity coming out of each of the filters is mapped by the intensity of the peaks. This is very similar to how design 1 is set up, although instead of having our oscillators, we're setting the frequency of our filters, and the sound is actually produced from this vocal waveform here. And we just have this 5 and 10 oscillators being used to oscillate the waveform slightly. So yeah, if I bring this up, so this is the resulting sound from our first example of ethanol. Sounds a bit like that, and then if I bring that down, there's a slight pop when you change in between these. I suggest using this control to bring it down. I'll bring it back up. Obviously the sound has changed. Yeah, one of the bits of feedback from this design is that the sound change is not very much. It's quite difficult to hear. So I'll just, if you forgive the popping now, as we switch between, you can see example 5 is quite different with this. The others, it's very difficult to hear the difference between them. But in any case, this is how the design works. The filters are each set by these, their intensity by that, and then finally it's summed and outputted here. So that's the final design, design 4. All 4 of these designs that you've seen now were then taken and used for our first user test to determine which the chemists believe will be the best going forward. Thank you very much.